Hey there everyone. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to correctly change your YouTube name or rebrand your channel. And also I've been seriously thinking about changing my YouTube name for a while now, but I haven't completely decided on what I want my new YouTube channel name to be. So I'm going to let you guys decide. I'm going to give you a couple suggestions on what I have come up with, names that I like and why, and I'm going to let you guys decide. And here comes the intro that I'm probably not going to be using for much longer. Alright, so first off, I'm going to show you guys how to change your YouTube channel name completely. And after that, then we're going to be discussing the different YouTube channel names that I have been looking at that I want to change for my channel. And I'm going to let you guys decide in the comments down below. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube name first. Let's jump right in. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to click on the top right icon of your channel. And then you're going to click on the little settings wheel. And then once you're here, you're going to see where it says your YouTube channel, and then it's going to say your name, and it's going to say edit on Google. This is where you're going to select edit on Google, and once you do that, it will take you to your Google Plus page, and here is where you will change your name. You can either have a first and last name, or you can just enter the entire name where it says first. Once you're ready, hit OK, and it will change your YouTube name. If you're using the new YouTube Studio Beta, you won't have the same option here on the top right icon. So you're going to have to switch back to your Creator Studio Classic. So just select Creator Studio Classic over here on the left-hand column, hit skip, and it will take you back to your Creator Studio Classic, and then you can select on your icon and the settings wheel from here. Next thing that you probably want to do is change your URL as well, or update it. So you'll click on the settings icon. Here in the settings, you'll go to advanced settings, and here it's going to show you on the top here where it says channel settings, your current URL. So first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to delete your old URL so that you can be able to associate your account with a new URL now with the new name. So what you'll do is you're going to go back to the account settings here. Here you will go to edit on Google, and then here you will see where it says sites and custom URLs. This is the URL that will be associated with your current YouTube name. So you will select the little pencil icon here to edit, and you will click on the X to delete your old URL. So you must delete it first before being able to add a new one. Once you're ready, hit OK, and it will delete it. Once your old URL is deleted, go back into your YouTube settings and go to advanced settings once again. Here in advanced settings, it's going to show a different option here where you can associate a URL to your new channel name. Here for me, it does not show it because I have not deleted this URL because I might plan on keeping it. But if you deleted yours, you will have the option here to add a new URL to your channel. So like I said, I have been wanting to change my YouTube name for quite a while now, but I haven't gotten around to it yet because of a couple of reasons. I've been afraid to change the name and that it might screw up my SEO since I've had this channel for a while now with over 135,000 subscribers. So, I've been kind of hesitant to do it, but I decided to pull the plug and do it now before I continue getting more subscribers and then have to change it later on. So I'm going to change it this one time now, and I'm planning on never changing it again. So that's why I'm trying to think of a great YouTube name that will go with what my channel's about. So here I have a couple of different name suggestions that I've been thinking about that I like. And the reason I chose these names is because my name is Sergio, and I don't want to include my entire name, so I just wanted to cut it down, maybe use Serge. Also, my channel is about tech. We do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, helping you guys out. We review products here and do tutorials to help you guys out with different problems that you may have with your phones, tablets, computers, camera, gear, etc. So this is a tech-related channel. So I was thinking somewhere along the lines of these names that you see here, like Techman, Tech Surge, Surge Tech, Techman Surge, Surge Man Tech, just something along those lines. Here are all the names that I have come up with. Keep in mind that there is different ways of presenting the name. So let me know, based on these names that you see here, which one you guys prefer and why. Let me know in the comments down below. And also the reason I like Techman, now that we're going to have a new channel name, we're going to update the logo as well. So I kind of wanted to make it something like Superman kind of. but you know, since it is tech related, so that's why I was thinking Tech Man. And I'm thinking about you know, getting some shirts with the triangle with a T for Tech Man. Let me know what you guys think. I'm really curious and interested in getting your opinion on this. You know, these videos are all for you guys watching these videos, so I decided that the smartest and best thing to do was just to ask you guys for your opinion and for help. So please let me know in the comments down below what name you think is best for this channel, and I'll review them all and I'll take it from there. So there you go, that's it for this video, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and give it a like, and that's it for now. I'll be seeing you guys around. Peace. Ciao.